Editing document in Microsoft Word 2016 is very important. In fact, unless you are able to know how to edit a document or format a document to suit what best for that particular event or particular purpose to which it was designed, you are not provisioned when it comes to the use of Microsoft Word. So I'm going to walk you through design under Microsoft Word 2016, and then we'll see what design can give us when it comes to formatting document. All right. Now, what we have here, many of you have seen it, but some of you find it difficult understanding how it works. So these are themes, different themes. Okay. Now let's just highlight one of these heading on my work here, and then see how the themes can work with it. I've highlighted. Now coming here, do you notice some changes? Maybe it's seeming maybe minor the way it looks, but it's actually there. Okay. Now let's take for example, clicking that. In this one simply means that each of the heading should be giving that same color to which you can see there. And how do you select this color? This color cannot be applied here directly. Take for example, unlike other colors, you can come here and select a color, it apply. It doesn't work that way. This color is assigned to these themes, different themes. You can notice that when we change to this, it's the orange, it changes to, take for example, what we have here now. If we highlight this and then choose this, it's designed for it. Let's choose something a bit different from this regular one we are using. Do you notice that it changes? Because that title is actually the one highlighted. So because of that title, it's keeps changing. Okay. Letter, you can see them there, and so on. So now what our attention will be really focused on is not this. In formatting text, you must be able to decide your line spacing. The space between one line to the other is important. So we are making progress to this paragraph spacing. Well, many of us know how to use paragraph spacing, but now let's see more. Let's see how it works. I'm highlighting everything. I'm going there. Now, if you choose this, it says no paragraph space. If you choose no paragraph space, this is what it's viewed like, as you can see on my screen. Now, if you choose compact 2 is more like no space, as well as tight. They are closely related. If you talk about open at least gives space, especially when a paragraph ends before another. But then if you move a little to relax gives about 1.5 line spacing to each of the line. When you come to double, definitely we know what double line spacing is all about. But at times, even when we are using any of this, it may not completely suit to what we want when it comes to line spacing. So you come to custom paragraph spacing. So come to custom paragraph spacing, click on it. This dialog box can actually allow you to achieve what you are aiming at. When you come to font, you can have them here in different sorts, different type. Alright? When you come to the font type, font size, you can come here and choose your font size. Okay? Font color is here. You could choose, okay, I'm no longer interested in the black color. Now, what should be your left, right, and center and forward? Now, what we mean by left, right is this. At what point do you want to start having the write-up on your page, on your left or on your right? What I mean is this. See what will happen. I'm choosing now 1.1. When I click on OK, do you notice what happened? It shifted this margin from here to here. That means 1.1. Alright, that too can be applicable on the right side. So all this can be done with the help of this paragraph spacing. Now we are going back there. Undo that. If you take the right side, that will happen too. Now you have to decide at what line spacing will it be. Now we have 1.5 inches. I can take it to single. If I take it to single and OK, if you notice that it's becoming more compact. So it is very important that we are good at using paragraph spacing. When we are good at using paragraph spacing, we can go along with doing much. Okay, we can actually format our text to suit what we want. Now you can see here it says after that is after 6. All right, if that is okay by you, if it's not, you can leave it on auto, you can leave it on 1, anything. So you can rather choose a line spacing. Of course, we also have shortcut keys. If I press Ctrl and 2, see what happened, give me double line spacing. Okay, if I press Ctrl 5, Ctrl and 5 gave me what, 1.5 line spacing. If I press Ctrl plus 1, Ctrl plus 1 will definitely give me single line spacing. So these and many more what we can achieve with the help of design have been so useful. So please practice and learn on each and every one of the things we have learned and go in much detail when it comes to the paragraph spacing so that you can learn more. So I hope you enjoyed the short tutorial. Leave me a comment, like the video, share the video. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Have a good day.